Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing something urgently, but your funds are a bit low? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to get what you need now and pay later? Enter Beforepay. But how long does it actually take to get that Beforepay payment? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Beforepay is a fantastic service that allows you to make purchases up front and pay them back later in installments. It's like a digital line of credit, giving you that extra financial flexibility when you need it most. But let's be real, time is of the essence. Nobody wants to wait forever for their payment to go through. So, let's break down the factors that influence how quickly you can expect your Beforepay payment to process. Merchant processing time. The first factor is the merchant's own processing time. Every business has its own unique system and procedures for handling payments. Some merchants are super quick, while others might take a little longer. For example, online retailers might process payments faster than brick-and-mortar stores due to automated systems. Always check the merchant's website or inquire with their customer service about their typical processing times. Your creditworthiness. Beforepay conducts a quick credit check to assess your ability to repay. This helps them determine your creditworthiness and set your repayment terms. If you have a strong credit history, your payment might be processed faster. However, if your credit score is lower, it might take a bit longer for Beforepay to review your application and approve your payment. Time of day and day of the week. Just like with any financial transaction, the time of day and day of the week can play a role. During peak hours or on weekends, processing times might be slightly longer due to increased demand. Consider submitting your payment request during off-peak hours for potentially faster processing. Payment method. The method you choose to repay your Beforepay loan can also impact the processing time. Some methods, such as direct debit, might be processed faster than others. Always choose the repayment method that is most convenient and efficient for you. Beforepay's role and speed. Beforepay strives to process payments as quickly as possible. They have automated systems in place to streamline the process and minimize delays. However, it's important to remember that unforeseen circumstances can sometimes occur, which might slightly impact processing times. Tips for faster processing. Here are a few tips to help speed up your Beforepay payment. Ensure all your information, such as your contact details and bank account information, is accurate and up to date. Double-check your payment request before submitting it to avoid any errors that could cause delays. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to Beforepay's customer support. They are always happy to assist you. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what to expect, here are some real-world examples. Many users report that their Beforepay payments are processed within minutes or hours. However, some users have reported experiencing slight delays, especially during peak periods. It's always best to factor in some extra time, just in case. With that said, Beforepay offers a fast and convenient way to get the things you need when you need them. While processing times can vary depending on several factors, Beforepay works diligently to ensure your payments are processed efficiently. By understanding the factors that influence processing times and following the tips we've discussed, you can optimize your Beforepay experience and enjoy a smoother, faster payment process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.